Car meet started 20 minutes ago and it's already like this. I sat on my camera and snapped the mic, so I can't use the mic, so I'm on the phone. I'm gonna try a video. I should have started from the beginning, but I mean 20 minutes in, it's a good turnout. I'll show you some mad stuff if I find some mad stuff, and you should have a good time. So, hopefully this is not a shitty new video. So I want to find out. It's my best friend. My baby. All clean. For once. Very easy going.
The wild Brandon in his natural habitat.
Face like a slap dance. Brandon, thank you.
He's only upset because he drives an 845 and he's only 20 years old. That's why I'm upset, isn't he?
Yeah, ungrateful arsehole.
Wildlife. This is beautiful,
Oh
Brandon.
no, he's got a chip on his bonnet. He's chipped it. It's a big chip.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Where's fucking
Oh, that's actually there in the picture.
Where's Stephen?
No, it's
Stefan. I reckon you got that, mate. I reckon you've got it.
I might just start using my phone.
You do it properly, that's why your videos get views.
Only 1.3, that's the most I've got.
Yeah, no, but you've got about 10 subscribers, so...
I'm 731 now.
Yeah, but...
Brand's a dickhead, basically.
Am I...
Brandon and the silly boys are revving. Now we have police attention. And we met a man in a pink jumper. I'm not going to offend him for his style because everyone's entitled to equal rights. Bagged again. Mr. Bag is back at the meets.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging, didn't I?
As soon as I felt that, I just...
Oh, well, when you go
Put my
down
hands
there, when you go there, there's a Fiesta I like. Look at the Fiesta. Oh.
You get a good camera before you vlog.
I do, but I sat on the mic and snapped it. You alright? How you doing? Good one. You alright, man?
Something that you vlog, you just have to ask.
That's why you don't use your mic as a dildo, mate.
Can't put that in the fucking video now. No one can know my secrets. I love these.
My name's Tommy and I like Aiden.
Oh. Jack, I love your car. I want them doors on my car.
An Astra. An Astra.
That's correct. Keep it PG, keep it PG.
Oh,
Yo,
man. Let me get you on camera, bro. Unlike Tommy.
I'm slacking on the camera today. You've actually got a full-on rig and I've just got an iPhone.
Shit, is that how you're rolling, yeah?
Yeah.
Mega Mouse on there, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plug it.
That's it. What you saying, you good?
I'm good, how are
Bro,
you?
look how many people you got out for you, man.
I know.
I'm jealous, I ain't even lying. I'm straight hating.
You gotta love
You
it.
must be gassed, isn't it?
It's pretty mad, I'm gonna be honest.
Mad. It's one of your guys, yeah?
Yeah, he's one of my minions.
Minions.
Not a minion, don't
No, no.
get... Says you with your chicken legs. Look at his chicken
Leave
legs.
my chicken legs alone. These are baller legs, these.
So when they start, 8 o'clock, yeah?
8 o'clock, yeah. We got here like 6 and there were people turning up at 6. A couple people was like, these people are early. Hope they're nice not to wait. But yeah, literally it's just filled and filled.
Bro,
Bit
I can't
worried.
believe how many people you got out to me, man.
Yeah.
Oh, like, all the way over there as well, like, yeah.
Shit weather, though, isn't it?
Yeah, it keeps
Maybe you should do a Living Life Fast and B7 collab meet, innit?
We can do it.
I was gonna say, so how long is it gonna be on till then?
So everyone wants to go home. I don't know, it's not a bedtime, do you know what I mean? Just see when you want. Stay the night if I like. My ears are in much pain right now. Much pain.
You alright?
Your mum's over there.
Love
Yeah,
that. Love that a lot. A lot of love for me. Air out!
Everything is.
Air out! He's got a Trump flag. Fucking savage.
Wait, Tom, where was it when we were at that bloke had that Trump
Silverstone. He had a Trump rap Scirocco or
wrapped?
some shit.
That was during the election, wasn't it?
Yeah. Do you want to give the channel a shout as you've stolen all my
camera shy.
subscribers anyway? Hi, no, everyone's like, oh, I've seen that. That came up after one of them B70 and my kids videos. Yeah, I don't watch this videos no more. I watch hers because she's a girl and not a boy. So, sexism is something that needs to be sorted out in this world because I don't approve.
You're just jealous.
I'm just a little boy being abused. Good
Just a
job.
city.
I'm not joking.
Let's leave a sense for race strikes out this one, yeah?
Watch out, just goes a kicker. I mean, if you're George, you can stand there, mate.
He's got a floor so hard.
You didn't know I was just doing that.
You'd have kicked someone in the shin. I thought your shoes fucking flew in the air then.
I thought you were still his arse.
Oh, wait, Steve's out the dab. Steve, the gunshot. Wait, Nick, he's still up there. He's still up there? Where is he? He's a retard.
Yeah, this is a special boy.
What's that song?
I don't know how I put up with these sort of people.
What, the one that Tommy likes? What's that song?
That song that Tommy likes. Baby, you're a firework.
Yeah.
That one. You can't stop fucking biting me.
Imagine being that bad at dancing.
Okay, so apparently it went downhill. I'm not sure. There's a lot of places apparently over 16 people. Might find out. I mean, his tone of voice is not very polite. I mean, he could approach it a lot nicer, but he's choosing not to. It's quite rude. Okay, so probably after an update of what just happened with all the police. So it turns out, whilst I was down in McDonald's looking at the cars, about 10 police cars, over 15, 16 police officers have come with dogs because some guy in a Mustang did a little skid and ran. And then all the police turned up and made a big deal out of it when didn't it be? And then apparently it just kicked off because the police, more than likely, just being obnoxious like usual. Not saying they're obnoxious usually, but let's be honest, they see car mates, they think trouble, and then they cause trouble themselves. So it reverses back to a bad image on them more than us. But yeah, there's loads of them up there. They've shut the entrance off. They're just standing there like a bunch of tin men. And yeah, we're just chilling down there, and they're all just up there, and there's sirens. But yeah, getting out. I'll try and get as many as I can on camera. Name and shame. And the dog barked at me, so I'm pissed off about that. But yeah, crack on with the meat anyway. I'll probably the next clip probably just me leaving, but oh well. Okay, so all this police and stuff, I missed it all because I was busy. But this man here got it all on camera. So,
T1.
so what's the channel?
T1 MMYB. I ain't fucking copying. But get
Yeah,
out of the way.
basically my name. I keep trying to make sure I'm not holding over the mic, but yeah. So, if you want to watch all the police footage, see this guy. I'll link it down below because he's literally captured
Sweet.
all of the footage. But yeah,
I don't know what
if
to
you
say.
can send me a couple clips for a teaser of what the fuck just happened, do it.
I'll
please.
send you everything on the Canon.
Anything, little bits you can, and I'll send it to you. But
Sweet. And obviously subscribe.
obviously subscribe to his channel. But
madness. But don't blame Tommy for this.
It wasn't me.
We're just an
I
organiser.
told you, I'm not Tommy. I'm just some kid that's camera looking after his car. But yeah, got freak fucked up. That's the brand new Mustang on the back of that. Over 15 police cars came. Okay, boys, what's going on? I just got back from the meet. Just want to say a massive thank you and like lots of love to everyone that, if you came out and showed support, thank you. It does mean so much. It's awesome. It was absolutely insane. We took out 2 car parks fully rammed. Like, it was a constant flow of cars. There was hundreds of you. It was insane. There was a bit of trouble with a Mustang doing some skids, and then the police came in. There's like over 16 police cars, and the Mustang got towed off, and there was dog units. And to be fair, the police were getting quite aggressive, and I think some people were getting slightly aggressive towards them. But I mean, obviously we're not about spreading that sort of message and thing towards the police, because you don't need to. But the one thing I would say is, I feel like the police target us quite a lot because we're like young car enthusiasts to try and get rid of it. I mean, you don't need 15 plus police cars for a car meet, mate. We're just having fun. Maybe someone done a little skid in a Mustang in an open car park with nothing around. What's he going to hit or damage? Nothing. Like, there's no need for that. So, to the police, I think you have a lot better things to do to be sorting it out than some guys at a car meet, let's be honest with you. So, take that as what you want, but that's my personal opinion. Yeah, thank you for coming. And it was insane. We literally just got sort of kicked out by the police and they shut the roads off. And I guess all I can say is check out everyone's channels I link below. But the main thing is stay tuned for part 3. Shit's gonna get crazy. Peace.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.